Now students, let us try to do a few sums on parallel lines. So these two lines are parallel. B is given as 110. Find other angles. So we go stepwise. First we know that B plus A will be equal to 180 degree. B plus A will be equal to 180 degree as they are linear pairs. Now if B is 110, so A will be 180 minus B, that is 110, so that will be equal to 70 degrees. So I have got A as 70. Now we can easily do B and C are, B is equal to C because they are vertically opposite angles, isn't it? Vertically opposite angles. Here I will write linear pair. So B is equal to C, that means if B is 110, C is also 110. Now same way A is equal to D because they are vertically opposite angle. A is equal to D, vertically opposite angles. So I have got the value of A as 70, so D will be equal to 70 also. So now we shift down. A will be equal to E, corresponding angle. A is equal to E. This means that E is equal to also 70 degree. So that means E is 70. Same way C is equal to G. C will be equal to G. All of them now corresponding angle. C will be equal to G. So that means G is equal to how much? 110. As we see C is 110, so G is 110. And same way we can find out E is equal to H. So H will be equal to the value of 70. Why E is equal to H? Because E is equal to H because they are vertically opposite angle. Same way now I go G will be equal to F will be equal to G. Why? Because vertically opposite angle. F is equal to G, vertically opposite angle. So F will be equal to 110 also. So we get all the angles. Now let us go to the next part. Same question but little presented in little different way. Let us see. They are telling A is to B is 2 is to 3. A is to B is 2 is to 3, but A plus B, we know A plus B is equal to 180. So the ratio is given 2 is to 3. That means 2x plus 3x is equal to 180. Because the ratio A is to B is 2 is to 3, that's given. That means A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. So there must be a common factor. So let the common factor be x. So A will be equal to 2x and B is equal to 3x. So common factor we assume as x. So we first get the common factor. 5x is equal to 180 degree. So x will be equal to 180 by 5. So this will be 36 degree. Now once we get x is equal to 36, so A will be equal to 2x, that is 72, and B will be equal to 3x, that is 108 degree. So after this it's very easy. If follow the previous method only, what will happen? A is 72, then D will be also 72. A is equal to 72. That means D is also 72. Why D is also 72? Because that is vertically opposite angle. Then again we go to the same thing. B is equal to, birds are chirping very well. So B is equal to 108. That means B is equal to 108. So vertically opposite angle C will be also 108 and so on. So you can do this sum also. After that A and E will be corresponding angle, so you'll get E as 72 and so on. We can move. So now we come to the next question, which is very very interesting. It is being said, what value of x will make these parallel? So 6x minus 40. If I add, if they are parallel, then these two angles should be equal, corresponding angles. So 6x minus 40 is equal to 4x plus 20. So this goes this side. 2x is equal to 20 plus 40 is 60. So x is equal to 30. So let us see, if I put x is equal to 30 over here. So 60 is 180 minus 180 minus 40 will be how much? 140, and this is also 140. So that means if x is equal to 30, then both these lines will be parallel. Thanks a lot.